Are you in need of a home cleaning? Aloha Maids Referral Agency has got you covered. We even offer recurring services, and we can have the same house cleaning wahine come every time. Your cleaning is 100% customizable. If there are very specific areas of the home you want to focus on, you can let us know, whether that's through communication with the cleaner or our friendly customer service office. Our referred cleaners are equipped with standard products and cleaning supplies, such as vacuums and mops. Our referred cleaners have years of experience in cleaning homes. We also offer other services such as carpet cleaning and window cleaning. For an instant quote, go to alohamaids.com. Click Book in 60 seconds. You'll be taken to a home page for an instant estimate. It is important to only complete steps 3 through 5. In step 3, you will choose the type of service, which would be a house cleaning. In step 4, you will indicate the size of home you have. For example, I would indicate that I had a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. In step 5, it is important to select the extras which apply to you. For example, I'll indicate that my house is dirty, and I would also like the inside of the fridge clean and the inside of the oven clean. If I look to my right in the booking summary, I will see my estimated total cost, which is set at around $240 and would take around 6 hours. So why choose Aloha Maids Referral Agency? Well, we have over 350 online reviews, 7 years in the business, and over 5,000 customers served in Orange County. Choose Aloha Maids Referral Agency. Book online at alohamaids.com or call 949-6-ALOHA-7. Hang loose and mahalo for watching.